Mahina Kealo Dermatology is bringing medical and cosmetic services to the Big Island community. John headed to Hilo to learn all about the business and how they keep connected with Hawaiian Telcom.
Hi. Hi, how are you? Good to see you.
Hi, John. How are you doing?
Good,
Welcome to
you.
Mahina Kealo Dermatology.
Awesome. Tell me about this place.
This is a dermatology practice that we do both medical and cosmetic dermatology.
Why did you guys start this business?
There's a great need for providers here on the Big Island, especially Hilo, and we wanted to service the needs of the community with both medical dermatology that can take insurance. We don't have too many dermatologists on the Big Island, and I know a lot of our patients have had to travel to Oahu, and the Hilo patients traveling to Kona.
I was going to ask you what some of the challenges have been in starting the business.
Yeah, I think a lot of more logistical and administrative challenges we've had, especially with getting as a new provider that takes insurance, has been difficult. I'm a PA, and with Dr. Franco being the medical director and provider as well, it's been challenging and just logistically trying to get all the paperwork done and trying to go through insurances and getting to know what they will cover and how we can get patients what they need.
It must feel pretty good to be able to help folks here.
It is wonderful. It's been a beautiful journey for us, and we look forward to expanding.
Well, this is a great reception area. Can we see some of the rooms and meet your husband?
Absolutely. Follow me.
Jonathan.
Yes.
Good to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Tell me about some of the services you guys have here.
So we do both medical and cosmetic dermatology services. Medical dermatology is skin cancers, identification of moles, skin tags, benign growths, things of that nature. And then cosmetic services are things that people want to have done. You know, relaxers like Botox and fillers that allow them to rejuvenate their look. We also have a series of lasers that do skin tightening, brown spot removal. We also have some body sculpting machines that will burn fat and build muscle.
Well, I actually have something on my arm.
Yes, you do.
Is that something that we could work on a little bit later?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
You guys also do stuff with rashes.
Yes. So many people come in the office with unknown rashes. They could be psoriasis, eczema, or any other possible issue, and the identification of those is critical. And so treating them afterwards, once you identify them, is the next step.
What has been the biggest hurdle in starting a new practice?
Getting the providers and staff necessary to see the patients. We're very fortunate that we have a great staff. We get comments about it all the time. People coming into the office really enjoy our staff, the pleasantness that they give to our patients, and then giving them the treatment and sending them on their way. That's been a challenge, finding that staff and now building, trying to find more people that are like them, and trying to continue that sort of theme in our office.
Tell me how Hawaiian Telcom and Phi Optics has powered your guys' business.
Hawaiian Telcom's been excellent. So our phone system is completely done through Hawaiian Telecom. And we've just recently installed the Phi Optic system into our office. And the ability to use the internet to talk to people on the phone has been enormous. We have a great relationship with Hawaiian Telecom, and their repair guys and people that have done the installation have been fantastic.
What does the future of the business look like for you guys?
The future is bright. We're expanding. There's a need, and we're trying to fill that need. And so for us, it's simply limited by space, having enough physical square footage to see the patients that we have to, getting providers. One of the big challenges we have on the island is getting medical professionals of all levels in any specialty, but especially dermatology. And so trying to find the right people to come in and see patients, and then the support staff to fill them.
So what's the best way to get in touch with you guys, find out more information, and become a patient?
So you can call our office, 808-300-1064, or you can email at mahinakealofrontdesk@gmail.com. Those are two excellent ways, but we get contacted through Google and a number of different, there's a lot of ways to communicate with us.
I really appreciate you guys having me down. This
Thank
has
you.
been great.
It was very nice to meet you, John.
And since I'm here, I guess I'm a patient.
Okay, let me just take a look.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, John, what do you see?
Oh my gosh! Really?
Oh, I think I think it freezes it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
Okay, John.
Okay. That's cool.
I got to see that arm now.
I know. I'm kind of curious.
Okay, so
Nice.
the Big Island community, there you go. Mahina Kealo, you guys can check more information on KHN2.com. But it's so awesome that Hawaiian Telecom is not just connecting, them with each other, but connecting them with the community. I
Yeah,
love
super neat. And speaking of the community, Big Island, John's actually going to be over there for a couple of weeks. So
Okay.
he's not going to be in studio. That's why he's over there on the Big Island getting things frozen off and enjoying some family
He
time.
said 2024, new me, new John.